Hi guys. Yeah, I'm just uploading it again, like I said you all would the other day. I can't remember what it was now. I'm sat here trying to think. Matthew said something. I said I'll record that on the YouTube channel. So whatever it was, Matthew, this is me recording it. I don't know what it was. Yeah, I totally forgot that. I'm gonna do a shout out to I totally forgot who it was. 5Source. They have a Facebook account, but yeah, amazing music. Yeah, I just I don't. Well, 5Source. I hope they don't end their career of music. Same I'd go with the Vamps. So good. I think I've done a Joe Sugg and a Casper Lee one. Another one with their new film which came out 23rd of December 2015. It was a great film. My sister bought it, but yeah, I watched it, and it's basically them mucking about around town and stuff, trying to get. Well, they go on holiday and they're trying to get jobs and stuff, but they go through pizza making, being models, anything like that. Stuff that you really wouldn't think they'd be doing. Also comes with a free big poster with loads of, and on the back it has loads of little things, and I think the thing's only about tenner most stores, so I'd be buying that if I was you. If you like Joe Sugg, that he does phone covers, t-shirts. This video's Joe Sugg. This is the main Joe Sugg shout out from Daniel Fabry. Hope you loved it. Big thumbs up.